Hello there, my name is Ellen Lee and I am a professional beauty expert who loves to find products or skincare tools that are going to be of a more all-natural approach to the skin. One that I love and that I have always used is the rose quartz roller. I thought I'd do a video about it and just tell you why I like it so much. I find it's great for women that are in their 40s and 50s that really are trying to find ways to preserve their skin and not have to go under the knife or use a lot of fillers or products that have just a lot of chemicals in them. You don't need to. You don't need to use products that have a lot of chemicals in them to make a difference and to see your skin just become where you want it to be. And usually what I find with my clients is they want their skin to be a lot more smooth. They want it to look like more radiant, just have a more healthy glow to it, just to be nice and taut. I find that using this tool consistently, you will see a major change in your skin. So the way I like to use it with my clients and with myself is I love to apply a rose toner. Then what I'll do is after I apply the toner, I always will just kind of work it into the skin all over. And you'll find that when you start to use your rose quartz roller, it is very cold to the touch. And then once you continue using it, it's going to get a little bit more warm, but that's good because that means that it's increasing the circulation and it's, creating the blood flow and the skin. That's where you're going to see that nice rosy glow from it. So then what I love to do is I'll apply a serum. And if I'm doing it, obviously during the day, I use my day serum. If I'm doing it at night, I use my night serum. So I'll apply my serum to my face and my neck area, and then I use my rose quartz roller. What that will do is that is going to help penetrate the product and get it down deep into the dermis, your second layer of skin. And you always want to go upward and outward. You never kind of want to come down. You just want to go upward and outward. But when you do come to your neck area, you want to kind of just roll kind of in a downward. And this is helping also, you can do a little lymphatic drainage massage. And when you get into the neck area, you always want to kind of move all that toxin that kind of gets built up here and in the face. And you kind of want to bring it down and out through the lymph nodes, okay? You'll find that when you do that for a lymphatic drainage massage, you can use this tool. You do want to just always make sure that you're kind of always going, just kind of imagine that the toxins are kind of following your roller and they're just kind of coming down and out through your lymph nodes. It's a great lymphatic drainage massage tool as well. I use it for that all the time. Great time to use it is if you are experiencing a lot of puffiness under the eyes, and that's why you have the smaller tool on this end. And so what you want to do is you just kind of want to roll right underneath your eye and you want to come right above, and it feels so nice and soothing. Really, you're going to give yourself a nice little lift doing this. You will see a difference. But you have to be consistent. It's like anything, you want to always be consistent. But it's great for, if you're going out for the night, this is a great tool to use, before you're going out. I find that, the jowl area, this area here, really works well. Under here, it really helps to tighten and tone this area. Upward, okay, and outward. But then when you get down in this area, you just kind of want to move it down like so. The rose quartz roller, I think you would love this product because it's so simple and it's so simple to use. It's all natural. You're dealing with crystals here. Rose quartz is really good because it helps to unblock. So if your muscles are tight in your skin, it's going to help to relax those muscles. It's going to help to soften any hard or fine lines that you might be experiencing. This is the rose quartz roller and I highly recommend this product. I mean, I've been doing skincare for over 30 years and I'm so happy that I found this product because I recommend it to all my clients and anyone I know because they do see a nice change with their skin and it keeps them out of the plastic surgeon's office and it keeps them away from the chemical products that I just don't want them using because you don't need to. There's all different ways to approach your skin, in an all natural way than having to use products that have a lot of chemicals in them. I will leave a lot of information down below. I'll leave you where you can find the rose quartz roller. I'll also leave you some products that I recommend that you use, especially for women in their 40s and 50s. A fabulous vitamin C and a vitamin A. I'll tell you all about those. I'll actually be doing a video on 2 of those products, so be looking for that. I know on my page it says, weekly, I'm doing my best to try to get these videos up. So hopefully I'll get that one up for you as soon as possible. But for now, I just wanted to tell you about the rose quartz roller, and please like and subscribe if you do like my channel. And if you have any questions, just reach out. I'm always here to answer. So I hope you're having a fabulous day, and I will see you soon.